Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download the auto clicker on your phone. So this works on iPhone and Android, it's fully working, no jailbreak, no computer. So when you open it up guys, you'll see that this is the fully working auto clicker and we have all our settings in here. So we can set it to a single target or multiple targets. So if you guys don't understand what this means, single target means it will touch one area of the screen and multiple targets means it will touch multiple. So we'll open up a game here, Tap Titans 2. This is a game that's oriented around tapping. And as you can see the pause thing there, it is running and it's just doing one section. So it's going to tap the same area of the screen. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It's super cool. So if you're using an iPhone, go to settings, go to general and make sure background app refresh is on. This can be on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data. It really doesn't matter, but make sure it's turned on. If it is set to off, this is not going to work. So once you've done that guys, you're all set. So the next thing we're going to do is go over to battery and make sure that the low power mode is turned off. So let me just go down here. Now you're going to know the low power mode is turned on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow. So make sure the low power mode is turned off. So once you've done that guys, you're all set. So all we have to do now is go to App Store and make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. Now this should be on by default, but if for some reason guys it's turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that guys, all you have to do is go to this amazing website and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. So as you can see, they got like Roblox++, Off-Road Outlaws, Webtoon, all the cool hacks for your favorite apps and your favorite games. Now the cool thing about this website is they sort it. So they put all the games together, all the emulators, all the tweaks, all the utility apps. So that's pretty awesome for me. So I'm going to go to the search bar though, and I'm just going to put in auto clicker just so I can show you guys how to download. But if you want a quick trick, it's in the tweak section right here. So you find auto clicker, let me just type it in right here, and you can see it says install. So we're going to go ahead and press install. So I'm just going to type it in. Alright, so basically guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press install and just wait until the bar reaches then it's going to download straight onto your device. So let's just let it load here as you guys can see, so I'm just going to give it a minute. Now obviously it's already on my device, but I'm going to walk you through the download process on how to do it. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and load here as you guys can see, so I'm just going to give it a second. Alright, so yeah, this is really cool because, I mean, there are many games that involve tapping where we might just get tired, and I mean, the auto clicker allows you to automate actions in these games. Tap Titans 2 is a great example, but I'm just going to wait for this to load here as you guys can see, and we'll get on to the final step of downloading the auto clicker onto our phone. So basically, the dark truth is you don't just get it, you have to do something. You have to do the verification. So this is really simple, guys. All we have to do is download some of these missing files, and these are completely free apps from the official App Store. You do this, you download the files, and then it basically gives you the app. So I'm going to go and download 3 of these apps. So for my first app, I'm going to get iHeartRadio. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download the app. Now, as I said, these are always going to be free. I promise you they'll never make you pay for them. I know that would just be bad. So I'm just going to download this iHeartRadio app right here, as you guys can see. And while it is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So the first one has started to download. So now I'm going to go back onto the list and get another app. So for my next app, I'm just going to get through these menus here. I'm going to go ahead and get Coin Master. It's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me to the App Store, as you guys can see. Alright, and I'm just going to go ahead and download the Coin Master. We'll just wait for it to start downloading right here, as you guys can see. So there we go, and we're all set. So let's see, the radio's done, so I'm going to open it up. So for this app, all I had to do was make an account, which is completely free to do. But bear in mind, the instructions are probably going to be different depending on the app. So this is just what I had to do for this one. So I'm just going to press sign up for free. I'm going to fill in my email address. So yeah, let me just type this stuff in. It's really not that difficult in my opinion. I don't really see why you guys wouldn't take advantage of this opportunity. I mean, if you know of another way to get the auto clicker, try that. But this is the only one that works, especially for iPhone. It's not like outdated. So I'm just going to make in a password now for the iHeartRadio. So let me just go ahead and do that. Alright, and now I just got to put in birth year and like gender and age, all that good stuff. So you got to be good with this, but it's really easy. I mean, if you've ever made an account with anything, it's just the same. So I did the iHeartRadio account sign up right here, and I'm just going to press around with the buttons, you know, just doing some like basic interactions. So I think I've spent a decent bit of time on this app. So now I'm going to do the other one, which is the Coin Master, and that one is a game. So with the games, you guys might get scared and be like, oh, do I have to know it? No, it's okay if you never played the game before. You don't have to be level 100. You just have to play around with it. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you guys can see, and I'm literally just going to wait for it to download or whatever it's doing, and I'm just going to go ahead and play it. So it's very easy. So I'm just going to like play through this here, as you guys can see, just like pressing around with the village or whatever this is, build a village. So yeah, it's really not something that I would say is hard at all. So I'm just going to keep going at it right here, as you guys can see. I'm going to name my character. Alright, I'm just going to do that. Save. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna spin the wheel. So yeah, this is really easy, guys. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. Obviously, I've already got it, but for you guys, it should download right about now. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. This is awesome, and I just can't even believe it actually works. And I mean, I've been able to automate actions in many games, and I've been able to get a lot more stuff in those games because of that, or advance the time. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.